कान कटिंग मैं
इसकी खुद तो मैं सुधारता हूँ।
जी
मैक्सी
जी जी
स्टॉल बिरयानी
डिक्शनरी
ओनली स्पीक इंग्लिश।
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What's up guys, how are you?
मुस्कान का स्टाइल नहीं जाएगा
All
Yes. So आज की वीडियो आप लोग देख के समझ गए होंगे क्या होने वाली है. Today we are going to speak English for whole day.
भाई मुझे थोड़ा यहाँ से घर छोड़ देना
भाई आज तो फुल बेइज्जती होने वाली। देखो भाई मैं तो पहले होता हूँ, मुझे तो आती नहीं है। मैं तो पहले होता हूँ।
मुझे आती है
मेरे को कौन सा आती है? मैं अपनी ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ी हुई रखी हूँ.
और
मैं कौन सा ऑक्सफोर्ड
ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी
ओनली स्पीक इंग्लिश।
ओनली
Okay.
Only English
स्पीक
speaking.
यार. तो अब से हमारा ये चैलेंज स्टार्ट हो रहा है.
Now
हाँ, from now we have started this challenge that we have to speak in English for a whole day.
और कोई भी जज नहीं करेगा।
Yes, then nobody is going to judge us.
मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं। देखो मैं तो पहली बार एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं आती।
एक मिनट बॉस, ऐसे नहीं होना कि कुछ बोलना नहीं रहा, बोल रहा कुछ बस.
बोलना तो है, ऐसा नहीं है.
बोलना तो नहीं है.
सॉरी
अगर किसी ने हिंदी बोला
हाँ.
तो उसको फाइन लगेगा भाई 10 रुपए
Yes,
का।
10
लग
रुपए का
गया
फाइन.
तुम दोनों को लग गया
अब जब से हम स्टार्ट बोलेंगे
ठीक
ठीक है।
है. जब हम स्टार्ट बोलेंगे और जैसे तुम मॉल के अंदर बोल रहे थे ना सब कुछ कि ये ऐसे हो गया,
Bro,
ऐसे
bro,
वैसे
stop
हो
there,
गया,
man,
ये
stop
वो.
समझा?
या ब्रो स्टॉप देयर
Why? Give me some time bro।
या
Okay, good.
दिस ब्रो
Your expression now in
Now we are heading towards GIP. Okay.
या
Okay.
ओके
got it
Let's meet.
I wanna eat biryani veg biryani।
स्टॉप
And you? Hello? What do you want to eat?
बर्गर
Burger?
चीज बर्गर
Okay.
cheeseburger खाओगे आप? Sorry।
Anything else, guys?
ब्रो
yeah bro
What?
understand bro understand
you don't have to speak man
understand bro। मुस्कान
you
Yeah.
can talk with our eyes man
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good।
Okay. How are you, sir?
I'm also good
Let's go to GIP, okay? Then we're going to talk about
So
something very
what can I
important
do in JP?
Huh? What?
can I do
What we are going to do?
Oh
no what will we do
एक मिनट वो है pause भाई। कोई हिंदी किसी की मतलब इंग्लिश ठीक नहीं करेगा। समझ जाओ तुम क्या कहना चाह रहा है बंदा।
bro what will you do in GIP
What will we do
In
in JP bro?
yeah
We'll have some food and I have to buy something, okay?
something like
But
Yeah?
stall biryani
Yeah,
is good।
Oh.
yeah bro गन्ने का रस bro
Stall biryani
Sugarcane
is
juice.
good।
sugarcane juice
हाँ.
yeah
Okay. We'll eat from there, okay?
गाइस अभी बता रहा हूँ जज
भैया माइल्ड
क्वेश्चन में वर्ड होते हैं ना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल इंग्लिश वर्ड में जो होते हैं उनको भी एक बार मुझे 2-3 बार याद करना पड़ता है।
अनगिर प्रोनाउंसिएशन बोलते हैं उसको, मुश्किल वर्ड नहीं बोलते वो. Okay, sorry.
इसकी खुद तो मैं सुधारता हूँ।
अच्छा जी, बस गिनती के 2 वर्ड सुधारे हैं आज तक बस.
कौन कौन से?
एक होता है आर्काइव, ठीक है, और एक वो आइलैंड.
चलो आइलैंड को क्या बोलती थी?
इसलैंड बोलती थी मैं.
आइलैंड को इसलैंड बोलती थी। आर्काइव को आर्चिव बोलती थी। अब बताओ।
पहले
ये नॉर्मल वर्ड्स है भाई। मेरे को देखो, मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आती बट जो नॉर्मल वर्ड्स होते हैं तो मुझे आते हैं। इंग्लिश में समझ जाता हूँ, मतलब परफेक्ट
तो
बोल भी
मैंने
लेता
कहा-
हूँ, मैं बोल भी लेता हूँ लेकिन इतनी नहीं बोल पाता।
तो मैंने कौन सा बोला कि मैं ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ के आई तो मुझे प्रॉपर एकदम पता है.
भाई मातृभाषा है भाई अपने तो हिंदी भाई। नहीं चल रहा है भाई अपना तो।
लेकिन आज today we are going to speak in English only. Okay? Only English. Guys, we have stopped here for some time because Baba wanted to drink sugarcane juice. Don't you want to drink? No. No. Do you want to say something to me?
No,
No, you are saying something, no?
you are so pretty।
Oh, thank you so much. I know. Tell me something new. Tell me something new. I know this one.
Your mustache coming,
No mustache is coming.
No,
coming.
little bit coming।
Little bit coming. Take me to the salon. Take me.
I don't have
You don't have money, huh?
I don't have money।
Now Vaibhav is done.
Bro, you have money?
yeah bro I have money
How much?
how much you want
Like 2 petty?
To
2
pay
petty you mean 2 crore
2 lakhs bro।
2 lakhs.
2 lakh bro lakhs में I don't talk bro in lakhs
Only bucks?
I talk only in crores
Oh. So, Mel, will you please buy me a Dyson?
Dyson. Fort.
For my hairs?
For hairs, only hairs.
Yeah, for only hairs.
Let me think.
So, what do you think?
Additional English, bro.
Additional.
Oh.
Yeah. Abba jab dabba.
10 रुपए का भाई इधर भाई
Yeah, 10 rupees. 10 rupees.
What 10 rupee? It's 10 rupees.
10 rupees,
20
yeah,
rupees. It's both of. So guys, finally we are at the GIP mall.
Bro, only English, bro.
Yeah bro, only English.
I speak English, listen English.
Bro, today sunny bro. Today too much.
Too much sunny.
Too much.
Today sun is sunny.
Too much hot. Too much. Today's closed. Cause make some more space in our. I'm waiting for you. Waiting for you.
Oh my god,
I
nice.
have to buy something.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Can I explain?
No, you don't have to explain it.
Good.
Bro, you understood?
Yeah, bro. Understand.
Not understand.
Bro, same, but different.
Okay, bye, good day. Sunny, bus. Only these things?
Bro,
Yes.
food court?
No, you are saying something, na? Okay, then we
Yeah.
should.
Have some food, bro. Bro,
You can zoom it, bro.
You can zoom it.
When
Okay.
you are doing edit.
have some food,
When you do edit.
bro.
Oh, bro, nice.
Bro, cheap people,
Yeah.
bro.
Cheap. Yes, I am cheap, bro. cheap.
You want to go for a tattoo?
Tattoo?
Yeah.
No.
No, you are showing something. No. Tomorrow, if you wanna make a tattoo on your wrist,
I wanna make, but not yet.
not yet.
Not right now.
Oh, yeah.
You will see later.
Yeah.
You will see later.
Are you also going to make a tattoo?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
He's my brother.
Here.
He's my brother.
Here.
Where?
Here.
Like crime partner.
Here.
Here.
Oh my god.
C.
See.
Bro,
No C, bro. G.
make C.
G, man.
G.
Yeah.
Not the mall is so empty today.
We are going.
Bro, I
Food
think
court.
DLF is much better than GIP.
Yeah, bro. But
Why GIP?
but
This is less crowded, that's why.
Oh. But we want crowd, man.
But there is so much
मुझे तो लग रहा है मेरा ही पागल बनेगा. इनको तो फिर भी आती है थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश. Yeah, bro.
What are you saying on the camera?
Not.
20.
You haven't said a word in Hindi.
Only English.
Let's see, bro. We will
Bro.
check it. We will check it, bro.
Yeah, we will check it. You know what it is? I have booked the whole Nazir for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, look. There is no one. He is with us. He is with us. He is with us.
Your English?
No,
Little
bro.
bit
Yeah.
gadbad.
Bro,
Yeah.
30 rupees.
30 rupees.
Why?
Why?
Why? Why?
We'll
Why?
tell you after this.
You saying na?
Yeah, what I say?
You speak Hindi?
Yeah.
I speak Hindi.
Yeah.
You
Which
saying
word?
क्या कहते हैं?
Oh.
Sorry?
But I explain ना bro.
क्या कहते हैं?
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
no.
But you can't cutting.
Yeah, you
My
can't
money?
cutting money.
You can't cutting
30
my money.
rupees, bro.
Yeah.
30 rupees, bro.
Okay, but you guys want
No one added my money.
Bro,
Okay.
menu please.
menu.
Menu please. Why you are
Most
doing
thanks.
promotion, man? Huh. I don't even.
is already famous, bro.
Serious, you don't have to do promotion of movie. So Nitesh Paswans want chicken biryani
I want this meal.
and
I want this meal.
Vaibhav want a biryani meal.
Biryani meal.
And I want a dal makhani meal.
Dal makhani.
Yes, I'm the best person.
Chicken
I'm
biryani
the best
and
person.
okay. Still only chicken biryani.
I can manage.
I can manage.
You
Yeah.
can manage what you are managing. Huh? What this?
Bro, I'm a little bit confused.
Why?
I think I should eat this burger meal
Okay.
or biryani meal.
As your wish.
2 meal, bro.
Okay,
He's
bro.
confused
Biryani
between
meal.
two meals.
Only
Biryani meal, yeah.
Okay.
Only biryani meal?
Yeah.
And you?
Biryani.
Biryani meal or only biryani?
Only biryani.
Okay, and I want a dal makhani meal. Okay, so go and order. Go and order. What this? Weber, go.
Hello. Yeah, Dad.
So much pain, bro.
Yeah, Dad. Actually, Dad.
Bro, so much pain, bro.
Yeah, Dad. Yeah.
I need medicine.
Yeah, Dad. Yeah, Dad. Muskan, can you please go?
Muskan, go.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, one chicken biryani.
And one chicken
One
biryani meal
biryani meal.
and one dal makhani meal.
One dal makhani.
Sorry guys.
One, ma'am, speak English.
Actually, हमारा challenge है.
So they have said a lot of Hindi words.
How much, ma'am?
How much, ma'am?
825.
Oh my God, too much.
Too much meal. But bro, I afford, bro. For you, only for you.
Bro, you should also take biryani meal, man.
You should also take the
Order
other
them.
Chicken biryani. Full का ये?
Order the.
Full chicken biryani. English, bro.
40 rupees.
30
30
rupees. 30 rupees.
No, 30 rupees. Okay. We have been finished our meal, but Taste Prasad is still eating. Gosh.
Slow eating, slow eating.
No slow eating. He eat a lot. He is जानवर.
जानवर.
Ever?
Animal.
50 rupees.
I have lot of money, guys.
You have a lot of money. Oh.
How's the love?
Okay. Sorry. Then
This is
going to speak English, eat English.
Yeah, only English.
Eat English, speak English, sing English.
Washroom English.
Washroom.
जेब फटी हुई है. अरे पैसे काट लो. इनको भी बताऊंगा. अब मैं हार गया. ये देखो. जेब फटी. जेब डाला नीचे से गिर गया फोन.
You want massage?
Yeah. Time.
How much time? 10 minutes.
20 minutes and 30 minutes.
उसमें
Bro,
stretching के साथ
English,
नीचे
bro.
ऊपर जाएगा.
Bro, English, bro.
Rebel?
Bro, I need best therapy.
Check. I can check.
से निकाल दीजिए.
So well, which massage
All
you have
set,
chosen?
guys. We have go to massage.
Which massage?
I have to go. Sorry, guys. I have to go massage.
Bro.
For massage.
Extra service.
Extra.
Mean?
Yeah, no, very well.
Do you enjoy the massage?
Yes.
Yes.
So much.
So much enjoy. Rebel is still enjoying.
Yeah, bro. Loved it, bro. Enjoyment, bro.
I also had a lot of fun when I'm in this massage seat. Because this feels very good. Now, shit. Rebel, we are getting late. We have to go.
I know, but my body is so tired.
Stiff.
So fucking tired, bro. Stiff.
What are you?
Yeah, what are you doing, man?
Taking selfie, bro.
Taking selfie? Like this?
Mirror selfie, bro.
Oh, aesthetic.
Aesthetic attitude.
No English. No Hindi, sorry.
Yes, yeah. Oh, I just forget, man.
Yeah.
और कुछ भी देखना है. Let's see some shades. Come here. Okay.
This brand.
Yeah. And this channel.
Show something from this.
I'm not a shopkeeper.
You're okay. You're owner.
Excuse me. Anyone is there? Fashion influencer be like, hi. Still Same.
What are you showing in this? There's nothing.
I can't understand.
What?
What are you doing?
You are never understanding what I am doing. You can check. How much?
Only 861. Not so costly.
So guys, we are off today. आज का हमारा चैलेंज यहीं पे खत्म होता है.
बड़ा मजा तो आया लेकिन भाई साहब
Yes.
बेइज्जती भी बहुत हुई
और लिटरली इन्होंने ना बिना कैमरा ऑन कर भी इंग्लिश में नहीं क्या बोल जा रहे थे वो मैं दिखा नहीं पाई मैं.
मुस्कान सबसे ज्यादा गलत इंग्लिश बोल
How much भैया?
और नितेश सबसे अच्छा मैंने
90?
How much भैया?
हाउ मच
Too much महंगा bro.
टू मच कॉस्टली है.
Guys, अब
मैं बोलता हूँ इंग्लिश.
ये इंग्लिश बोलता है फेसबुक वाली।
गाइस अब ना English
नाइस
खत्म।
पिक डियर, नाइस पिक डियर।
आप कमेंट
डाटा इज नॉट वर्किंग ब्रो, वेट गाइस, डाटा इज नॉट वर्किंग गाइस, या वाईफाई।
गाइस आज का हमारा ये चैलेंज यहीं पे खत्म होता है। सो गाइस लाइक इट।
विनर कौन है?
विनर तो देखो मैं ही हूँ, सबसे कम पैसे मेरे लगे।
आप तो कैसे
हाँ,
कम
क्या?
बोला भी आप नहीं है, ठीक है ना?
क्या
इसमें
हाँ बस ओके।
सबसे कम पैसे मेरा एक बार कटा है 10 रुपए बस, इसका तो पता नहीं कितना कट गया तुम्हारा
30
कितना
कटा,
कट
30
गया?
40
मेरे 50 रुपीस कटे हैं, मेरे 30 रुपीस कटे हैं।
30
सबसे कम मेरे कटे
30
हैं।
कटे हैं, 30 40
10 ही रुपए भाई,
चेक करेंगे। वो
सबसे
कमेंट
कम
करके
मेरा
बताना,
कटा
आप
है।
लोग चेक करके बताना एक बार।
सबसे कम मेरा कटा है।
तो
भले
कमेंट-
मेरी इंग्लिश टेढ़ी मेढ़ी थी, टूटी फूटी, मतलब बेकार, लेकिन फिर भी जीता तो मैं हूँ।
हाँ,
चलो guys,
तो यहाँ
क्या
पे सबसे बेस्ट इंग्लिश बोलने वाला नीचे है।
पौड़ी योगा हो।
करो गुद्दीलाल।
सो गाइज आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और लास्ट टाइम मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जज कर लेना मुझे छोड़ के इन दोनों को। आई होप
जज करेंगे तब भी बोलेंगे कि
आई होप
वाह,
आपको
बाहर से
पसंद आई
आया।
वीडियो को पसंद आई, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, कमेंट कर देना, शेयर कर देना। न्यू वीडियो किस टॉपिक बनाना है कमेंट करके बता देना।
Yes.
मिलते हैं न्यू वीडियो में, बाय, लव यू, बाय।